So today we have a speaking session, though students are very few, but okay, no problem. And today's your topic is violence. As you know, that violence is too much in this world, and there are two types of violence: outward violence, inward violence. Outward violence means when we hurt anyone physically, and in this we can include the wars that are going on in the world at present, like between Russia and Ukraine, between Israel and Iran, and this is also a type of violence. And when we hate someone, when we have ill wills against anyone in our heart, this is also a type of violence. So now you have to describe it in your own words. So I think you have given your names, and one thing more, try to speak as much as you can. It is upon you that how much you can speak. Okay, I think you are ready for today's session, and I have got some names. I am not able to understand what Anuj want to say. Okay, okay, sir. Then Anuj, what going on, buddies? Oh, oh, Anuj, Anju. So yes, this is the first name. So Anju, please. And I think you you speak very nice, but what I ask you to improve in yourself, please try to remember that and then speak better. Come on, beta.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is violence. Violence is a good deal in the world, and there's two type of violence: physical violence and inward violence. They are the main physical violence is to kill anyone, kill another, kill anyone, hurt anyone from the mind of say cruel things and hating people. And inwardly, we dislike people, hate people, grizzly hate, and we don't dislike and so in this. And in inward violence, we always do quarreling, battling, and not and with not others. We do with us also.
देख के मत बोले. हाँ, पता चलता है मेरे को सब. चुपचाप अपने दिमाग से बोल, नहीं तो रुक जा, बाद में बोलना. सुन ले पहले एक आध जनों को. वो पैसेज कोई नहीं निकाल के रखेगा कल वाला. पता चल जाता है मेरे को सब. चुपचाप बोलो अपनी तरफ से. बोल बेटा.
Unlimited, sir, यही था ना?
हैं?
Unmet.
अब आप रुक जाओ थोड़ी देर, सुनो पहले दो तीन जनों को, फिर बोलना आप. ठीक है, दोबारा से नाम लिख दो अपना. इतनी जल्दबाजी मत किया कर बेटा, थोड़ा सुना कर पहले दो चार लोगों को. गौरव.
Yes, sir. So, hello.
Connectivity is not okay. Gaurav, you are not audible. I think you are not connecting with us.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Carry on.
Yes. So, hello everyone. So hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here and my today's topic is violence.
हाँ ठीक है बोलो.
So violence is very bad for our world because you know that violence is uh, always hurts everyone because it's what it means, and it is and there are two types of violence. First, there is outward violence, and then
फिर गए. चलो अब रुक जाओ तुम थोड़ी देर अब. अनुज तुम आओ. अनुज भी नहीं है यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir.
हाँ है तो कैमरे चालू रखा करो ना अपना.
yes sir.
बेटा तुम रुक जाओ गौरव अब 2 मिनट. अपनी कनेक्टिविटी सही करो. यस अनुज. अनुज के बाद बुलवाऊंगा गौरव से. यस.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Emil and today the topic is violence. So, we have read about it yesterday. So, violence is like a threat or a force that we put on someone, and the result is like physically or mentally. Like it can harm someone. It can cause even death. So there are majorly two types of violence: physical violence and inward violence, means internal violence. So physical violence is always about forcing someone physically or hurting someone physically. Like there are in physical violence, there are international or there are global wars that are always going on, even every time. You may find any war that is going on every time, and it never stops because of people's greed, hate, and the desire of having more and more. So between any two countries, the war is always war is always caused by by land, power, more power, and hate, and
शाबाश शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो. वेरी गुड. सुनो सारे यहाँ बैठ के. हाँ बोल बेटा.
and economy positions, etc. So there are several types of physical violences, and whenever we talk about violence, there was a man called Gandhi who was against about it, and there are also, like in every religion, non-violence is put on the top. Like in Jainism, Jainism is all about ahimsa.
शाबाश.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
So Mahavir, what is that? Yes, sir. Mahavir, which is the saint of Jainism, he always tried to explain his teachings by adding ahimsa in everything, and be so humble that no one can even harm you if you are wrong even. So there are so physical violence is like this, and there is mental violence or internal violence too. So internal violence contains abusing someone inwardly, thinking wrong about someone inwardly, and which is commonly in Hindi we say that ninda. So it must be.
हाँ.
Sir.
हाँ.
So internal violence, like people also assume that we are doing this internal, so by whom we are gonna caught or we are safe. But it is not, because it's a wasting of time, thinking about someone who is better than you, and you are trying to becoming the person that you are hating. So there is no end of this, and and violence always must be avoided, and that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोलते हो यार. सुना करो सब ध्यान से, कंटेंट्स को सुना करो. ये नहीं कुछ भी बोल दो, कंटेंट्स को सुना करो थोड़ा सा. जो पढ़ा है आपने वो तो है ही है, वो तो बेस है. उसके अलावा अपने थॉट्स लाओ आप, तब आएगा मजा. समझ गए ना मेरी बात को? गौरव आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is
एक
violence.
जगह बैठ जा अब आराम से.
हाँ सर, गेट बंद कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
Yes, so violence always hurts a person, and we should not do violence. But what is a violence? So, as I told you, a feeling that hurts someone from the inside or physically.
Very good.
There are two types of violence:
Shabash.
outward and inward, or should I say, physically and emotionally. It will make you understand more. So, the physically or outwardly, for violence is like if I punched someone, it is physically. I physically punched him.
शाबाश, nice
And
explanation.
if
Very good. Very good बेटा, ऐसे बोला करो. हाँ.
so, like if I touched and like physically, so it is a physical violence. If it hurted the, if it
Hurted
hurt
नहीं,
the,
hurt. All
if
three
it
both are
hurt,
the same. Yes. हाँ.
sorry sir,
हाँ कोई
if
बात
it
नहीं.
hurt the other person. But the inward violence is like if I said something to someone, it's not physically but it's emotionally. Or if I hate someone, it's also a violence but emotionally. I am not punching him physically. I am processing all that in my
ऐसे
mind
बोला करो.
only.
Best यार. Very good. शाबाश बोलो. हाँ.
And also, some people uh, uh, differentiate between those that which is more like more dangerous. So, in my way, I think both are equal because if you said someone abusing words, he will get almost the same feeling as if you punched him. But some people are lohe ke katte. They don't even care that what you say them, what you hurt, how you hurt them. They are just piece of metal. They are prepared. They are already prepared for these type of things, and they are trained by their parents. And you know how the parents train us to with a belt, slippers. Oh, that pain. But that's also violence. But it's their right. They have the right to beat us. We can't say that they don't have right. Or they will break our right hand.
Okay,
There is
okay.
Kalyug going on.
हाँ.
Kalyug going on.
Kalyug is going on. Yes.
Yes, sir. That's it. Thank you, sir.
अरे वाह यार, मजा आता है. ऐसे बोला करो अच्छे से, थोड़ा सा मन की जो बातें हैं वो बोला करो. सब रिकॉर्ड होता है यहाँ पे, चिंता मत करो. आपके सैटरडे को तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स मीटिंग रखेंगे हम. उसमें मैं नोट कर रहा हूँ कौन कौन क्या क्या बोल रहा है. वेरी गुड यार. ओके वैष्णवी आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi, and today I'm speaking about violence. Violence means in Hindi, hinsa. And you know that in India, there was a leader who was against the violence, and his name was Mahatma Gandhi. And he was very against of the violence. And you know that there are two types of violence: physical violence and internal violence. Physical violence means to torture someone with the help of a belt and torture to them and say the cruel things and say cruel things to torture them. In India, uh, you know, uh, many women, women, face domestic violence so much.
शाबाश शाबाश
Uh,
फोकस करो बस फोकस करो
Domestic
एक ही
violence
सेंटेंस में
so
हाँ
much
हाँ
because their husbands because their husbands torture them and when they drunk so they started to beating them
स्टार्टेड क्यों
and
ये स्टार्ट ही तो आएगा प्रेजेंट में तो बोल रहा है बेटा ध्यान रख
okay
थोड़ा बोल
sir
बोल 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 फोकस कर बस
to start
हाँ
beating them
हाँ
and so this is not good and so this is the physical violence. Now
हाँ
now I'm telling about the internal violence. Internal violence means to hurt someone
हाँ
in their heart and to say abuse words
अब्यूजिंग वर्ड्स
and abusing words
हाँ
and to hate someone, to dislike someone, and etc.
हाँ आराम से
And
बेटा बहुत अच्छा हाँ बोल बेटा
and some people are very jealous because of their wealth, social status, and they starting jealousing from them and according to me we should not jealous to we should not jealous to
वी शुड नॉट बी
from others
हाँ
from others and that uh, some parents some parents are very strict they torture their children and and they starting beating them
दे
because of
स्टार्ट
their good
बीटिंग देम
not marks.
दे स्टार्ट बीटिंग देम वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रख बेटा
they start they start beating them because of their uh, because of their average marks and that in if we talk about the other countries uh, if you have to see a movie Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway in I watched this movie and I see that there is a a strict rule in in the foreign countries that you can't torture or kill to your child and
बहुत बढ़िया
so so in India there should be same rule be implemented
हाँ हाँ
and in the foreign countries in foreign countries parents don't हाथ उठाने को क्या बोलेंगे सर
रेजिंग हैंड अच्छा
यू
वो
नो
हाथ
सर
उठाना बीटना
हाँ
अब बीट कर दो ना
हाँ some people some sorry parents don't beat to their children
हाँ, टू की जरूरत
और
नहीं थी यहाँ पे बोलते रहो बेटा बोलते रहो रिकॉर्डिंग में देखना मैंने कौन सा
child
करेक्शन करवाया बोलते रहो बेटा
or if you beat your child so otherwise you will be there would be a there would be a crime.
Hmm.
So in India, there should be, the same rule be implemented. So at last, I want to say that we should not do the violence in in the physical and internal violence. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड बेटा. एलेबोरेशन कैपेसिटी बढ़ाओ बेटा अपनी, है ना, थोड़ा सा और बढ़ाओ, ऐसे धीरे 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 कोशिश करते रहो.
Yes,
और
sir.
हाँ बेटा. एंड आई थिंक नाउ रक्षित.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am expressing my views on the topic that is violence. So, we know that what is violence. It is not just a thing; it is a variable because it changes according to the perspective of different people. Like for someone, violence is good; for someone, it is bad. And in some situation, it is good; in some situation, it is bad. So it all depends, and you can't say that it is good, it is only good, or it is only bad. And so and now I'm telling that what is violence and how a person can be turned violent. So there are different causes of it, and I will talk about it later. So now focus on that what is violence. We can say that violence is about hurting people in different ways. Like there are mainly people hurt another person in two ways mostly. That is internal violence and external violence. That you can also tell physical violence and mental violence,
हाँ.
and there are so many names of it, you can say. So so external violence is like that you are hurting a person externally, that like a type of injuring someone in front of him by saying harsh words, or by beating the person. So it is the type of external violence. But internal violence is to hate a person with a in at the back of the person, not in the front of him. Like
हाँ.
many ones hate a person at the back of him. They do not make the person know that they hate him or her. So, and also to dislike a person from afar, from far, not from close.
Hmm.
And such type, and also internal violence is not only for others, it is also for ourselves. Like sometimes we hate ourselves, we dislike ourselves. So
हाँ.
it is also a type of internal violence.
Hmm.
And also this is the same for external violence. It is also for others and ourselves.
शाबाश.
So we can say this is violence. And we know that violence is everywhere. And like in movies, you can see violence. Like there is a dialogue: violence, violence, violence.
Hmm.
I don't like it, but
Hmm.
violence likes me.
Hmm.
If you have watched KGF number 1, you know this dialogue. So we know that in more there are some movies that promotes non-violence, but in most of the movies, to do the right thing, to defeat the villain for the right, uh, a hero or the team of hero needs violence.
Hmm.
So but there are some situations that in which you have to play the game with non-violence. You do not need there any type of violence.
Hmm.
So this is the whole thing.
Hmm.
And we can take many prime examples of violence and non-violence.
Hmm.
And I'm not saying that violence believers are good or bad, or non-violence believers are good or bad.
Hmm.
It depends upon the situation. Anyone can be good or bad in his or her perspectives, or from others' perspectives, because we cannot change one's perspectives according to ours. So this is the way. But we can see that in our freedom struggle against the British rule or colonial rule, we saw that many freedom fighters struggled for independence with violence, and like Bhagat Singh, uh, and many more. And many freedom fighters struggled for freedom with non-violence, like Mahatma Gandhi and many more. And there is the concept of satyagraha. We know that, and this concept tells that if you are fighting if you are fighting against violence, so you do not need any physical force. Just you need to appeal the conscience of the oppressor, and the truth will ultimately triumph. So this tells us that fighting for the truth, so there is no need of violence. You can fight with non-violence. But like in war, you cannot stay just on the basics of non-violence. You need violence there. So this is the whole thing. But and we know that, and if and also there a poem comes in 10th class, that is written by Robert Frost, in which Robert Frost tells that the world will end by fire, by both fire and ice. And by this Robert by fire and ice, Robert Frost indicates about greed, lust, indifference, hatred, jealousy, etc. So all this are a type of all these ideas or things are a type of violence, like greed, lust, indifference, hatred, jealousy. All are the victims of violence, you can say. And mostly there are a certain causes of violence, like for ideas, for the mismatching of ideas, there comes violence. For national issues, there can be violence. And for property, for means for land, and for conquering one's territory. And also there are certain causes by which violence takes place. And this is not the thing of now that violence is getting in today's world. It is from the starting of human life that there is violence. Like when the time of ancient period, there were people living in tribes and boxes, means by in a definite area. There was also violence for conquering others territories, for food, for shelter, for different things there was violence. And now there is also violence for many things. Like now the biggest example we can take is the Iran and USA war. For oil, they are doing violence. So this is the thing. And according to me, that violence can never end until humans live on this universe or on this earth. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया, शाबाश बेटा। सभी लोग सुना करो ध्यान से, किस तरीके से चीजों को, कंटेंट्स को सुना करो आप लोग। जब तक सुनोगे नहीं तब तक अच्छा बोलना नहीं आएगा बेटा कभी भी। अन्नो।
Yes, sir. So, sir, आवाज आ रही है ना?
आ रही है बेटा।
Hello everyone. Now I am telling about violence. So as you know, there are two type of violence: physical violence and environmental violence. Physical violence is violence in which, सर फोन स्विच ऑफ होने वाला है। फर्स्ट सर मैं चार्ज लगाती हूँ।
हो गया स्विच ऑफ इसका। तो बेटा चार्ज करना चाहिए था इतने देर में तेरे को। लगा ले उसको कहीं चार्जर पे। बेटा आ जा।
आवाज आ रही है सर?
आ रही है बेटा।
सर आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है बेटा, बोल बेटा।
So hello everyone. Now I'm telling about violence. There are two type of violence: physical violence and inward violence. So in physical violence means that we kill anyone physically, hurt anyone physically, and in inward violence we think about him ill. We think about him or her ill. We we thought that we will hurt him. Um,
बेटा
uh,
हाँ टेंस का ध्यान रखो थोड़ा बेटा.
okay, sir.
बेटा बोल.
Her or him. Um, and so like this, the inward violence is, as you know, that in our as you know, in physical violence, as you in nationalities, the votes are given in it. The father is not of son and the son is not of father. It's called physical violence. Physical नहीं. Physically क्या ना सर ये?
Yes.
This called physical violence. As you know, in nationalities, people destroy everyone for their vote. They think ill about them. They do both violence, physical and inward violence. As you know, that some people who are against us, they will they will use inward violence to hurt, need to think ill about us, and sometimes they also use physical violence to hurt us, not kill but only hurt. Uh, um, that's it, sir.
बेटा लिसनिंग पे फोकस करो. अभी देखो कितने लोगों ने कितना अच्छा अच्छा से बोला है. लिसनिंग पे फोकस करो और थोड़ा सा आइडियाज को माइंड में रखने की कोशिश करो बेटा, है ना.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा बोलते हो, पता नहीं आज क्या हो गया तुम्हारे को. यस कोई बात नहीं है, नेक्स्ट टाइम और अच्छे से करना. आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Aditya, and today's our topic is violence. So, as we all know that there are two types of violence: physical violence or inward violence. So, as you all know that inward violence, sorry, physical violence is about related to wars and international wars and about our nearest people, anything else. So we can see that in the we always see newspaper and news. Then we can see that Iran the war between the Iran and US is very bad, but anyone uh, don't
No
think
one,
that.
no one से बनाओ इसको नेगेटिव. एनीवन डोंट नहीं. नो वन.
No one think that we can solve our problems without any violence, but people only want to violence to show that we are very powerful country and anything else. But they should learn something about our freedom fighters, because like there are so many freedom fighters. They say Britishers, please leave our country. So then you can see that they have no violence on that time, but now a time now time people only want
nowadays.
nowadays people only want violence. So I think what they get with the help of violence, then if they then
then anyone take some more landmark, more piece of landmark of any other country, then the war will be start, and then the violence become big, and then the world war will be start. And then and now I'm telling about our inward violence. So inward violence is about our relate to our thinking to any other person. Then we always think that I'm beat that person tomorrow, and I'm also beat them.
I am
So
also
this is
beat. वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस करो, थोड़ा ध्यान दो वर्ब फॉर्म पे.
okay, sir. Then it is not good, and then the rich people, especially rich people, make inward violence because they try to they try that poor people always poor. Then what? So which so why they do that thing? Do this thing? Rich people always will be become poor. Their if their children became any सर काबिल बनने को क्या कहते हैं? काबिल बनने को
Become able.
if any poor child become able to become a doctor to protect our country and progress about and invent new things about their knowledge, then the rich people stop them. You can't do that things, and then you can see that our APJ Abdul Kalam, they have so much knowledge, then he can progress our country, and then he have so much knowledge, and then anyone can't imagine that thing. And
No one can imagine. मैंने बोला ना ऐसे बनाया करो negative.
yes, sir. No one imagine that things, but nowadays people don't. Nowadays people don't think that we don't care anyone. We always think about our family and other relatives. But if they help any other person, like some any rich person help any poor person, so violence, inward violence, uh, inward violence is inward violence is not become big problem. Then we can uh, then we can face the physical violence. Then the war and the other and international wars will be stopped, and then we can get progress. And also we don't become any violence, because in the future if we become any violence, then it became a big problem for us. So yes, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया है सब कुछ, लेकिन वर्ब फॉर्म में बहुत ज्यादा गड़बड़ियां कर देते हो कभी कभी. आप थोड़ा फोकस किया करो वर्ब को यूज करते समय, है ना. वर्ब फॉर्म में बहुत ज्यादा गड़बड़ करते हो, थोड़ा सा ठीक करो इनको. ओके, नाउ अंजलि, आर यू हियर? अंजलि?
Yes, sir.
यस, कम ऑन. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. कम ऑन बेटा. अंजलि, switch your mic on.
Okay. Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is violence. Violence. There are two types of violence. There is physical violence, inward violence. In physical violence, we hurt anyone physically
शाबाश, ऐसे
from
बोलो.
the mind.
हाँ.
We betray our friend or someone who is closely touch with us. That is called physical violence. And in what violence we dislike peoples? We dislike peoples and
ओके रश्मि, नहीं वैष्णवी, कंटिन्यू रखो तुम अंजलि।
Thank you, sir.
yes,
Good night, sir.
राइट, हाँ बोलो, कंटिन्यू रखो।
dislike people, hate people, and in that type we don't hate people only them. We also hate us.
हाँ,
We also hate us
ourselves,
ourselves.
हाँ,
And there is unmade violence is war, like Iran versus Israel war, and
शाबाश,
US
कितना अच्छा
is
बोल रही है,
also
इसको
interrupt
किया कर, हाँ,
that.
हाँ,
That is about for land, oil, and nationalities and other things. There is Umyor's violence, sir.
हम्म,
Inumor's violence
हम्म,
is which people in which rich peoples like celebrities and other famous celebrities, actors, and other famous people want people make poor and poorer and poorer,
शाबाश, हम्म,
and they only make rich and rich. And in internet they have to show that they are helping others and they're
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया,
helping,
वेरी
they're
गुड,
using their money, they're using their money in the public,
हाँ,
they are helping others.
हाँ,
So that is also fake. And about our government is nice, but about that government is just wanted to rich like other peoples, and they are just having thing, and they're just having money and money and money.
शाबाश,
They don't clean our cities, and if they clean our cities they only do Delhi, Mumbai, and nothing else.
दिल्ली, दिल्ली नहीं, दिल्ली,
Delhi,
हाँ,
nothing else, because they're just seeing that where tourists are coming too much. In Mumbai, Delhi, there are tourists, so much population of tourists, so they clean there, and they think that no one came in Rajasthan, South area, and Uttar Pradesh, and they also clean only snowy mountains like Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir,
शाबाश, शाबाश,
and just this
वर्क फ्रॉम पे फोकस
or
करो और बोलते रहो,
nothing.
हाँ,
And like this show on TVs, videos, and sometimes they give to school to they do their to do their uh, advertisement to in next election to they give vote and win them. They in my school this also has happened now in that day. That day.
वेरी गुड, हो गया। अब कितना अच्छा बोला है, थोड़ा सुनना चाहिए बेटा, सुनने से बहुत अच्छा होता है ना बेटा? हाँ, सबका हो गया, चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।